Now they get to start to speak English. Okay? This is the point where they start to learn how to take this word and use it. Now, we also say that every conversation has a
question.
yes, exactly, and an answer. Every conversation has that, right? If there isn't a question and answer, there isn't a conversation. Where were you last night?
Nowhere.
Okay, no way. Alright. So now you've played the game. Right? Now they're all wired up. Okay? Now they're going to settle down again. Because you're going to teach them dialogue. Okay? You happy? You see how we take them up, bring them down, take them up, bring them up. You can't be bored. Okay? So students, sit down. Right? After the game. Remember that? Okay. Students. A. What fruit is this? You see why you need the space? A. What fruit is this? A. What fruit is this? A. What fruit is this? Students, 1, 2, 3. A.
What fruit is this?
Good job, students. 1, 2, 3. A.
What fruit is this?
Good job, students. 1, 2, 3. A.
What fruit is this?
Good job. Student A.
What fruit is this?
Good job, 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 student A.
What fruit?
Good job, student A.
What fruit is this?
Good job. Students. B. Students B. This is an this is an apple. Apple. Good job. I didn't tell him.
So at this stage they can answer.
Yes.
This is an
Yeah, because you told them this, right? And you want them to say it to complete the sentence because they find the association in the answer. Okay. All right. So again, just so that you don't lose it. Students B, this is an you help them, right? This is an apple. Good job. Apple. Students B, 1, 2, 3, B.
This is an apple.
Good job, B.
This is an apple.
Good job, B.
This is an apple.
Good job, student 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 B.
This is an apple.
How much more individual drilling am I doing with this?
Much.
Much more than the words, right? Why? Because it's a combination of words here, right? Now here's the thing. We didn't teach them what? We didn't teach them is. We didn't teach them this. By association, language is learned by association to the key words in the sentence. Alright? This is not a long sentence. This is a short sentence that actually has 4 words. Alright? The answer has 4 words. By association, and this is really years and years and years of research, teach the key word and put it into a short question answer format. Okay? So what did I do? I made A and B very clear. You'll understand why just now, okay? So, A, write it out. Say it 3 times. Group drill it. Individual drill. Okay? Write down B. Say it 3 times. Group drill. Individual drill. Okay? Help them with the word, and it would be cool to underline the key word there, and underline the key word there. Okay? Happy so far? Alright.
In my case, will I now still say, how do you feel?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. You remember that big lecture I gave you about the right question?
Yeah.
Consistent.
Okay.
Choosing the right question. Choosing the right question. Okay? Which you keep consistently because that's how you speak English. Happy so far? Okay. Happy with the steps? Happy?
Yes.
Alright. Now, from here, you want to move towards what we call parallel lines, like a railway track. Okay? And it's called parallel lines. Okay? Let's go back a step. I wrote it. I said it 3 times, I drew it 3 times as a group, and then I checked individually by doing individual drilling as well, right? Group drill, individual drill. Happy so far? Okay. Then I wrote. I got their help to finish the sentence. I said it 3 times, I group drilled it 3 times, I individually drilled it 3 times. What have I done? I've started to build their confidence with using these words. Okay? But I'm not happy yet. I'm still not happy. Because this is not one word, this is a few words. Okay? Are you with me? Are you with me, Jan?
Yes.
Sure. Okay. Now I'm not happy. Let me check here. So I'm going to parallel lines. Group A, this is not a game, so I'm not saying team A. Okay? Group A, Group B. Group A, Group B. Group?
A.
Good job, Group.
B.
Good job, Group.
A.
Good job, Group.
B.
Good job, Group.
A.
Good job, Group.
B.
Good job. Group A. Group A. A. 1, 2, 3.
What fruit is
Good
this?
job. Group A.
What fruit is this?
Good job. Group A.
What fruit is this?
Good job. Group B. B.
This is an apple.
Good job. Group B.
This is an apple.
Good job. Group B.
This is an apple.
Group A.
What fruit is this?
Good job. Group B.
This is an
Good
apple.
job. Group A.
What fruit is this?
Good job. Group B.
This is an apple.
Okay? Alright? Do you see what I did there? I made you say it 3 times. Then I made as A. Then I made B say it 3 times. And then I made it into a conversation between groups. Huh? Are you with me? Yes. I just went A, B, A, B. You're building up your confidence. Alright? They're actually talking to each other, but they don't know it yet. Okay? Now, you were A, weren't you? Which means you asked the question. And you were?
B.
Which means you answered the question. I don't know if you can ask the question. So we call it a switch. Now here's the switch. Group A, Group B. Group A, Group B. Group,
A.
Group,
B.
Group,
A.
Group.
B.
Good job. Group A,
What
is this?
Group A,
What fruit is this?
Good job. Group B.
This is an apple.
Good job. Group A.
What fruit is
Good
this?
job, Group B.
This is an apple.
Good job, Group A.
What fruit is this?
Good job, Group B.
This is an apple.
Good job. That process is called parallel lines. Okay? Got it? Got it? They're not speaking English. Hello? Hello? Okay? I'm still not happy. I'm still not happy because now I'm going to start a thing called teacher, student, student, student. Okay? Teacher, student, student, student. Watch how they start speaking to each other now. Okay? I'm the lead. Teacher A. What fruit is this? Student B.
This is an apple.
Good job, students. Student A. A.
What fruit is this?
Good job, student. Student B. B.
This is an apple.
Good job, student A. A.
What fruit is this?
Good job, student B. B.
This is an apple.
Good job, student A. A.
What fruit is this?
Good job, student B. B.
This is an apple.
Good job, student A. A.
What fruit is this?
Good job, student B. B.
This is an apple.
Good job, student A. A.
What fruit is this?
Good job, student B. B.
This is an apple.
Good job, student A. A.
What fruit is this?
Good job, student B. B.
This is an apple.
Good job, student A. A.
What fruit is this?
Good job, student B. B. I then, listen very carefully, look at me. Listen very carefully. This is individual control. Alright? All we are doing is leading with A and B. But they're speaking. I lead. I ask student B. But he didn't ask. Now he gets a chance. So you stay with the student. You don't go, okay, student A, teacher A, student B. Alright? He answers. Then student A, student B. Good job, he answered. Student A, student B. If he answers, he gets to ask as well. You got it? Don't forget that. Because we have a tendency to go, okay, teacher A, student B. He answers, then you go, student A, student B. No, he didn't get a chance to ask. He didn't get a chance to ask. He's not speaking English. You will fail. You see how you build it up slowly? Now he's speaking English. Oh, very good. That's teaching dialogue. Those are the teaching steps for teaching dialogue. Are we good? Are we good? I'll do it one more time, alright? Okay, just to make sure. Alright? A, up. Students sit down. Good job. Students, A. What is this? Okay, then drill it. Or say it 3 times, drill it. Group drill, individual drill. Same with B. You write it, you say it 3 times, your group drill, your individual drill. Okay? Happy so far? Second step. Parallel lines. Okay? Clear. Group A, Group B. Let us speak. All you're doing, have you noticed where I had my control? I didn't have it from here. My control points were in the middle. And all I was doing is, and I got to a point where I was doing this. Look at me. Alright? Instead of like, you want better control, you do this. Team A. Team E. You're moving one leg. Okay? Because if you do that, your lesson is flowing. And what we tend to do is team A, team B. I'm falling asleep here. I'm dead asleep. Alright? You move one leg. There you go. Team A, this conversation is going to be A, and B, and A, and B. Okay, now switch. You are A, you are B. A, what word is this? B, this is an apple. Okay, you got it? I'm still not happy. So I go teacher A, student B, student A, student B, student A, student B, student A, student B. Now they're talking English to each other with you controlling it.